In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a live account with VT Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to vtmarkets.com, and then on here in the middle of your screen, it's going to say Get Started. Click on this button. And then it's going to take you to a separate page where it's going to say you can create your live account within 5 minutes. So just basically select your country of residence, put in your email, your password that you would like to have. Of course, you have to basically do a password which actually is according to all these requirements over here. And then if you have a referral code, you can use this in here as well. After that, make sure to check the mark if you are a US resident or not, and then click on Open a Live Account. Now, the next steps are going to be you just have to put in some more of your details, your info, and then you'll be able to open your live account after that verification check. Now, if you are inside your client portal and you haven't yet created that, you can also go to Account and then click on Open Live Account over here, which is going to take you to a separate page, and it's going to take you to a place where you can basically see your current verification status. Now, the first one for me, as you can see, is completed, and now I would have to still do an ID verification and a POA verification too. And then after you do this, you can just click on Verify Now, and you can just go follow the steps. After you do this, you'll then be able to, of course, unlock all these benefits, such as the ability to trade, to basically withdraw, deposit, etc. So that's pretty much how you do it, how you open a live account with VT Markets. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.